Hi, welcome to episode 34, and today we'll be going over what the heck are backlinks. So I was recently asked what a website backlink is, and one simple way to look at it is think about getting online referrals for your websites. So essentially, when another website links back to your website, it's considered a backlink. And not all backlinks are the same. So think of it this way: if you're looking for, let's say a heart surgeon, okay? Now, would you listen to a referral from some stranger off the street, or would you listen to a referral from your current doctor? So I would think you would want to listen to your doctor because they have more expertise in the area. So same thing for backlinks, is that you want to get backlinks that is really related to your website and that has high authority. So what are sites that have high authority? Sites that have been established for a while, are credible, and people trust, right? So kind of mention, what Don has mentioned with this EAT, right, philosophy. So that's important. So just keep in mind, you want good backlinks. Don't just spam and try to get as many backlinks as you can. And some of the areas that naturally you're going to get backlinks from are your social media outlets. Make sure you put your website on your social media channels, and of course put your website through like the Chamber of Commerce if you're part of any chamber memberships, because those are some of the areas that have high authority, credibility, that trust, right, factor. So just keep that in mind as you're building more backlinks back to your site. Hope that helps. Have a good day.